y'all. It's been a while, but back at it again with another new sensational unit.
Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, been taking it easy like poco a poco.
And welcome back to Have Fake Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from the Sensational Wet Lace collection. I haven't done a sensational unit in a while, so I figured I would just pick this one up. So I'm wearing this one in the style Leena and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So since this one is from the Wet Lace collection, of course you get the typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the middle, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does come pre-plucked. It does have baby hair, so let me just come in and show you guys what the hairline is looking like. Also, if you feel the need to add heat, you can. This one probably definitely could have used some, but instead I opted to just go in with my She Bomb wax stick. So I do feel like I had to add a good amount of concealer with this one. I went in as always with my Even Lace Tint Spray and the color medium dark brown. So I have that on the inside of the cap, and then I had to go in with my concealer from the Warrior 2 by Juvia's and just kind of pack that on there, and I feel like it's looking pretty good, but I just don't like the fact that I had to add so much product to get the lace to blend in with my skin tone. So I feel like if you're somebody who has my skin tone or darker, you may have an ashy lace sort of situation and you may need to put a little bit more product than somebody else may, so definitely just keep that in mind. As you can see, the length on this one is like a super short kind of natural vibe that they're going for. The texture on it feels pretty good. It's definitely not silky by any means. If I had to guess a texture, it's leaning definitely more towards a dried out yaki than it is a silky, so I kind of am here for that. I do like the fact that it's not a silky texture because it leads me to believe that maybe it'll last a little bit longer. I didn't get any tangling or shedding with this one, but definitely do note the more you go in and part this one and finger comb it out some, it definitely will shed, it will tangle, it will grow on you, but I'm not seeing anything too crazy as of yet. I want to say that this cap size is going to be small, medium, and possibly big head friendly. It does have lace that goes ear to ear, and my head is about 22 inches to 22.5 inches in circumference, and it's fitting my head pretty good. I think if you do have a larger size head, you may not be able to take full advantage of the ear to ear lace, but if your head is my size or small, then you definitely should be good to go with this one. So let me just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. I mean, my only con is probably definitely going to be just the fact, like I said, as far as the wet lace units are concerned, the ashy lace I just wasn't here for the amount of work that it took to get the lace to blend into my legging, and that's probably honestly going to be the only con that I have with this unit. My pros are going to be the hair quality feels pretty good, the texture feels nice, this curl pattern is very pretty. I would definitely consider this a throw in and go. This is beginner friendly if you know how to blend that lace in the way that it should be blended, for sure, because it definitely didn't take me really much time at all to get this going. I like the baby hairs, like the fact that you get that 13x6 parting space, the look of it. I feel like this will definitely be a cute, like, little everyday dupe. I wouldn't say that this is necessarily a high maintenance unit, so I feel like that's always a plus, but that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below in the unit if you want to pick up in any other colors, honey, and until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.